It can be upsetting when your health insurance company denies a treatment you need or a medical bill you thought should have been covered. If your health insurer says no to a bill dispute or a treatment, that doesn't have to be the final word. You have the right to appeal their decision. You can win an appeal, but it takes some work. First, you'll want to read the denial letter your insurer sent you. Why was the coverage denied? What's their appeals process and timeline? If it's a billing or claims processing error, call your medical provider's billing office and ask them to clear things up with the insurer. If that doesn't work, tell your medical provider's office you plan to appeal the denial. Work with them to handle any outstanding bills. If a bill is due during your appeal process, you must decide what's best for your situation. You can delay paying it until you know the outcome of your appeal. Ask your medical provider's office to not send the bill to collections, which they may or may not do. Set up a payment plan and try to negotiate the amount you owe to avoid having the bill sent to collections. Pay the bill and get reimbursed by your health plan if you win your appeal. If it's a treatment denial, you'll need to appeal to overturn the insurer's decision. Here are some tips to help with filing an appeal. Identify your type of insurance coverage and find out if you have a group, individual, or government-sponsored plan, and which law your plan follows. For Medicare and other plans like TRICARE and Washington Apple Help, you'll need to follow their appeals processes. Find out the deadline for an appeal. Where do you send it? This information is usually in the denial letter. If not, ask your insurer. Determine if you have a non-grandfathered plan or a grandfathered plan, and what your appeal options are for your plan. If you're not sure which kind of plan you have, call your insurer and ask them. Keep a log of every call, email, and letter you make or receive. Gather your medical records. If you don't have them, ask your medical provider for copies. Appeal letters should be to the point, timely, and specific about the outcome you seek. Our agency website offers some great examples of appeal letters to help you write yours. It helps to have a supporting letter from your medical provider. To help your provider with writing the letter, be sure to give them a copy of the reason for denial. Only send copies of documents, not originals, and send them as certified mail. If your health plan upholds a claim denial after you completed its appeals process, don't give up. There's another step you can take. You can request an external review of your appeal using an independent review organization, or also known as an IRO. This option should be outlined in the letters you receive from your insurer, or you can contact your health plan's customer service office to get more information on how to request an external review. An IRO isn't connected to your insurance company and doesn't have a financial interest in the outcome of your case. The IRO can either uphold or overturn the insurance company's position. Once an IRO reviews an appeal, its decision is binding. All IROs in Washington state must register with and be certified by the Office of the Insurance Commissioner. To learn more about how to appeal a health insurance denial and get a list of registered IROs, visit us at www.insurance.wa.gov. Questions? Our consumer advocates are here to help. Contact us at 1-800-562-6900 or www.insurance.wa.gov.